Now, TikTok literally just tried to ban this, and this was a message from the ancestors. But this is going to be okay, because we're going to make it through. I'm going to get this message through. Now, y'all ears are up here ringing and doing the most, especially the right ones. That's your ancestors talking to you. Let me explain something. The mere fact that your ancestors finally get to a reader and they are super ecstatic because they got so much to say. They come to us like, you know what, about time we have somebody that can actually help this person, because we are so tired of these mofos for real. The mere fact that old girl, let me tell you something, she lying in this reading because in actuality, she done sat up here and stole the baby's check and be using it for nails and actually getting her hair done. She got that HD lace we ain't never known about. Huh? Oh, Uncle Mike sitting up here telling us that, okay, Raekwon sitting up here acting up again. He up here talking about he ain't out there using or slanging again, but in actuality, he doing all in the above. And he sitting up here pimping himself on the low to get some extra cash. Huh? Ancestors be like, okay, we haven't had an offering on our table in damn near 2 years. What the hell is going on? But these heifers are asking for bill money, light money, new car, new house, new all this stuff. And then we sitting here with our hands underneath our face like, so who gonna help you in that defense? Because you ain't taking care of us. So now that you ain't taking care of them, y'all want to work with the Orishas, and Orishas looking at y'all like, okay, we seeing how y'all treat y'all ancestors. What you think we gonna deal with? Because it's gonna be 10 times worse if you come fucking and knocking on this door. Okay? These the poor babies that are the ancestors sit up here and be like, you know what, they looking at you getting it on, and like, you know what? These two don't even like each other for real. Who actually gonna go down this birth canal? Because see, the stroke game is off. I hope my don't come out as small as his, or her nipples is lopsided. I don't want these problems. You know, they ain't even cute together for real. The point still remains. Y'all don't understand. Ancestors signed a contract before they got here. Some of them are just like, oh, they'll test the water for them 2 months. But oh, Lord, no. Her breath is hot. She got an attitude all the time. She always hungry. And she won't give me that breast milk is so sour. Return to sin. I'm going back to the heavens. Baby sitting up here talking about, no, she about to get my ears pierced. I didn't even ask for an ear piercing or any locks. Return to sister. I'm going back up there. Point remains, work on your ancestors, man.